The Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank was founded recognizing that there is a huge infrastructure gap in Asia. And we are trying to bridge this infrastructure gap. And we also realize that this is not possible by using public money alone. So one of our thematic priorities is to mobilize private capital, and we believe that institutional capital is key for that. We also want to do that adhering to the highest standards, especially in terms of environmental, social, and governance standards. So another thematic priority is to invest and finance sustainable infrastructure. Now, with this portfolio, we really try to achieve exactly those two priorities. On the one hand, we want to catalyze institutional capital into sustainable infrastructure and infrastructure-related sectors in Asia by mobilizing it from institutional investors in and outside the region. And on the other hand, we also want to establish an ESG framework by which investors can sustainably invest in this asset class. Ultimately, we want to promote infrastructure as an asset class in the most sustainable way we can. The ESG framework really relates to this portfolio, and it determines of how we do the ESG integration, investing in the securities that we want to invest in. It has different aspects. For example, it has exclusionary lists, negative screenings, it has the ESG assessment, it also has the ESG engagement with the corporate issuers, and it has, of course, ESG monitoring and reporting. The Sustainable Markets Initiative, on the other hand, is a much broader initiative where we really want to work together with the industry to promote sustainable capital markets in the region. It's based on different pillars, 4 pillars. The first pillar is this portfolio, where we try to prove the concept that there is value in ESG investing by investing our own balance sheet in securities according to the ESG framework that I just mentioned. The second pillar is ESG research, where we are trying to share the lessons learned with market participants and to disseminate the knowledge that we gain through this investment. The third pillar is really to promote transparency and disclosure for ESG in the region. So one idea is, for example, to work with ESG rating agencies to increase the coverage of issuers that are rated with an ESG rating. And the fourth pillar is market capacity building. So we want to do outreach to exchanges or the regulators, other asset owners and managers to really promote ESG investing in Asia.